Guys, welcome to another random vlog where I vlogged a little bit throughout the past few days and none of it makes sense just to put it together. So I'm going to tell you what happened. Braylee, what are you doing?
Going into my room.
You want to hang out with me?
Sure.
She doesn't. That means she doesn't. Babe. Braylee was just downstairs telling Casey that his food stinks because he has started a 90-day challenge and he's cooking cauliflower rice and it
Every single time someone cooks something gross, the smell rises into my room, and I'm always like, why does my room stink so bad?
You wanna come hang out with me? You wanna do this with me or no? So, this is on a tripod because I'm real profesh. So we haven't really like vlogged a ton. I guess Braylee did a Vans haul, so if you wanna see that, be sure to watch for it. But Christmas break is over, so we've just been hanging out and like enjoying the break, so that's why the vlog. Why are we so far apart?
I just don't like sitting next to you.
I'm gonna make you. So that's why the vlog's all over the place. Anyways, we had a really happy new year. I put that vlog up. If you didn't see it, it was the last one that I posted. We had a lot of fun. I haven't started like any New Year's goals.
I have.
Have you? What?
I've stopped drinking soda.
No more soda.
No soda.
Starting our goals. We did get back from our trip and I was like not feeling good. So I just wanted to get kind of back into somewhat of my normal routine. So I hopped on the treadmill, started running.
Ran real fast.
Not real fast. I honestly don't run a lot. I just do the fitness program that's programmed into the treadmill and I just follow that. And it's a lot of walking like on an incline, a little running. So I don't do anything too crazy. And then I wanted to make my smoothie because I just honestly feel like if I eat a smoothie for breakfast in the morning that I feel so much better. And I like to eat that every single morning for breakfast because it's so good. I watched Layla, we put her little kitchen in the pantry and it's so cute to watch her play with it. She loves it. And that when I designed the pantry, I for sure wanted her to have a little kitchen right there. And she loves it as much as I hope she would. So that makes me so happy.
It's really messy.
It's a little bit messy. I want to do like some type of cabinets for her to put her stuff in, so yeah, that's my plan. She also got this little phone and she takes selfies because she watches someone and she'll even do like peace or kissy lips and it's so funny. It's so
because I
funny.
always make her take pictures with me.
Yeah, so she got a phone. It's a little Minnie Mouse one and she was like, I know what to do with this. Okay, so after that I looked around the kitchen and my house and it was a disaster, like literally so messy because we've just been hanging out. I just haven't been in the same routine. We've just been like going and doing and playing and having fun and not worrying about that stuff, which I'm grateful for. Yeah, that never makes me feel guilty. Like whatever, it's a break. But it did mean that I needed to do some power cleaning because it doesn't feel nice to live in a house that's messy. Braylee's getting a blanket. Braylee got this blanket from a special someone. While I was cleaning, I did get a little bit hungry, so I stopped and what did I eat that day? Oh, I ate my very favorite snack where you take a rice cake and then you put like a cheese spread or you know whatever you like and then some seasoning and lunch meat, and it has been like my favorite snack. So I think that that's what I made that day. That's what I've been making a lot. Also, something that I have been playing a lot is Uno. Uno is one of the world's most popular card games. I played it when I was growing up with Grandpa Larry. It was like just something that we always did when we went over there. And he passed away a few years ago. But that is one of my favorite memories, is playing Uno with him and my grandma. It was just so much fun. So anyways, so I've had a lot of fun because now it is available on mobile. It looks like this is right there. Focus, focus.
You do this thing and do like ASMR.
There we go, there it is. So right there. So you can play the regular version of Uno and it will team you up with people. You can play against them. I'm gonna be honest, I've gotten my bum kicked a few times and I'm like, what? I thought I knew what I was doing, but turns out it's been a while since I played Uno. So this is just like the classic card game, but it comes to mobile devices with new rules, tournaments, modes of play, and so much more. Be sure to check the description box for a link if you want to play Uno mobile. Or you can play these other games I liked playing this too while we were traveling.
Yeah.
Because we had like a little bit of a drive when we were going to Targhee for our ski vacation. So I played this on the way there. We were also in the room a lot and I played Uno while we were in the room. So it's a perfect game to play if you're at home or if you're on the go, just pretty much anywhere you can connect.
I also really like to play it too because I downloaded it on my phone, so it's really fun.
Yeah, we've all been playing. So challenge your friends and family to a game of Uno. Let us know if you try it out or if you already have it and play it, or if you really like the card game. I don't know, it just brought back so many good memories while I was playing it. I love it. Okay, you guys, we know why you're here and we're so excited to share with you what we did next. It's been like the best thing ever.
Yeah.
Okay, I mentioned that we were thinking about getting a puppy. I think we found the one. What do you think?
I'm excited.
You are? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm so excited. When I saw
fetch with it and stuff.
well, I don't know if it will fetch, but it will play with you for sure.
This is my new bed.
That's your new bed? I love it. I love
We
that.
should make a bed for the puppy instead.
We need to still get everything for the puppy. We don't have anything for the puppy. But we'll stop at the pet store on the way home. So I was looking on KSL and I saw this little puppy, and I don't know, like, we've looked at puppies, we've talked about getting puppies for a while, and when I saw this one, it just felt like that's the one we're supposed to get. So
I'm making a bed for the puppy.
you're making a bed for the puppy?
Yeah, what are you doing?
So we're going to look at it, but I pretty much told her that we wanted it and we're gonna buy it. It's a long-haired wiener dog. It's so cute. It's a girl. What's that? A pickle?
We're gonna name her.
And we're gonna name her Rosie.
Yeah, Rosie.
Rosie.
It's a dog.
Can I tell
It
them
is
the
a
story
girl.
behind that?
What? Rosie Rose.
So when I was
Rosalinda.
really little, I wanted my name to be Rosie Rose Rosalinda.
Hey,
So bad. Like, I wanted to dye my hair red and I wanted to wear like green clothes because of, you know, like a rose. Just really wanted that.
Hey guys, that's what. I'm the man, the dog Rufus, but not Rufus.
Yeah, it's not Rufus.
Yeah.
Winston wanted to get a boy puppy that we were looking at a while ago, a bulldog, and he wanted to name him Rufus. So we thought if we found a boy puppy, his name would be Rufus. But we found a girl puppy, and she's so cute. And are you okay if we name her Rosie?
Yep. But this is her bed.
That's her bed. Okay, here's the thing. It's been hard to think about getting a dog since Bronx passed away. We miss him so much, and we talk about him a lot. He was such a good dog. And it's hard to think about getting a dog because you know that something could happen, or you know, and you love your animal so much. And I feel a lot of guilt when it comes to Bronx because I wish that we would have just like played with him a little bit more and held him a little bit more. So that's been hard. But another thing about when we got Bronx, he was an older puppy, so we didn't have to potty train him. He was already like house trained and such a good boy. He never did anything wrong, really.
Yeah, he died then.
Yeah, he did, huh?
But we don't die with him.
We'll see him again one day, huh? So anyways, I don't really know how to have a puppy. I don't know how to potty train. I don't know how to do any of those things. So hopefully they'll send me home with a list. Yeah. Are you guys sure? Are you guys sure?
We're on our way. That's not even a question.
Casey's not sure. Casey's like, thinks we shouldn't. He said I can do what I want, but... Honey.
What?
I'm gonna go get a puppy.
Your call.
My call. Everyone wants the puppy, so we're gonna go get a puppy. What?
I don't have wants to be.
Everyone promised that they would help. Lots.
Mom,
You want a puppy, Layla?
Mom, he's gonna sleep by me.
Where's Layla?
Hey, guess what?
What?
He's sleeping with me, and I know you take care of him.
Oh, really? It's a girl, though.
I wonder if, like, the dog sleeps with Winston, if Winston would sleep down in his room.
No, no, there's your answer. No, no, no.
The dog would keep you safe.
Okay, we need to go right now.
Love it.
We can't wait to show you how cute she is.
I thought it'd be bigger, but it's like,
I know, so tiny.
it's like this big.
It's so tiny. We got to hold all the puppies and they were all so cute, huh?
The first one I had, it was like also for sale. I loved it. It was like,
It was like a light brown.
yeah, I kept like biting my jacket, like biting my chin.
We're in love with her. Look at Layla. This is Rosie. We love her so much, huh, sweetheart?
I'm her favorite.
Braylee is her favorite. You know what's been so nice is that I think getting a puppy can be a big adjustment, and we are taking her out to go potty constantly, but everyone wanted her so bad that everyone's been happy to help. So it hasn't been hard at all. It's just been fun. So Rosie, I don't know if I talked a lot about it, but Rosie is the cutest thing in the entire world. She's a long-haired wiener dog, and she'll look a little different than a regular wiener dog though. She'll look more like, she almost, like we saw her sister that's older, and she looks almost like a Yorkie. So we're excited to see her grow up, but she's the cutest little thing. She like hops around. She's really starting to show her personality.
She like runs sideways. It's so funny.
She's so cute. Anyways, everyone's helping so much. Even Winston. Like Winston will take her out to go potty. It's just been so enjoyable.
I have a question.
Yeah.
How are we spelling her name? Because I thought we were spelling it R-O-S-E-Y. Spelling it R-O-S-I-E.
Yeah.
I always spelled, when I was like growing up, I always spelled my R-O-S-E-Y.
Oh,
so I
you
didn't
did?
know.
I like IE better.
Yeah, I did too. I just didn't know.
Yeah. Anyways, that's the vlog for today. I know it's all random and it might be longer than I thought it was gonna be, but we're so happy. We love Rosie and we're excited for you guys to watch her grow. As we watch her grow, she's the best girl.
Also, stay tuned for my Vans haul.
Yes.
I showed all my Vans and talked about them, so.
Yeah. And some more videos. Braylee and I plan on doing a few more videos from now on.
Collabing together.
Yeah. Some other fun things, so be sure to watch for that. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone give this video a thumbs up for Rosie because she's the cutest little pup. If you guys aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you hang out with us more and just be a part of our family. We love you so much. We'll see you next time.
Bye.